Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop get-by or make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks. When using pliers like channel locks or locking vice grips on parts you don't want to mark, mar, or gouge the parts, especially chrome-plated fixtures or fasteners, what you do, you can cover the tool's jaws with pieces of hose, clamp, or just regular garden hose. After you're done, you just slip the hose pieces off and put them on the handles, and they're ready to use next time. If you're like me, it's sometimes hard to read the gauge or size marking on the sides of tools or sockets. Now on chrome-plated tools, I have used a black or red magic marker, black spray paint, or office whiteout. Then what you do is you apply it or spray it, wipe off the excess. On black-plated tools, you can either use white spray paint or best yet, office whiteout. Now I've found that of all these solutions, the office whiteout seems to work the best on really bringing markings forward where you can easily read them. We would love to hear about your shop shortcuts, tips, or make-dos. Send us your shop hack. If we use it on the show or in Successful Farming Magazine, we're going to pay you a $200 reward. Send us a detailed description and images to the link below. I'll see you again next time on another shop hack. Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.